Welcome to Nutrisavvy, where we look at the truth for the wise and the aged and the curious youth. A calorie isn't a number to dread, it's a message of life to your body instead. We start with this statement so the boundaries are known. Our health-focused seeds are the only things sown. We aren't your physicians, so take this to heart. Consult with a doctor before you make a start. If you think that your body is just a machine, where calories out keeps the waistline quite lean, we're here to inform you the logic is flawed. It's a message of hormones that should be explored. Based on the work of Dr. Jason Fung, we can say that insulin is the master that stands in the way. Think of this hormone as a lock and a key that decides if your fat will be locked up or free. When you eat all day long, the message is store, and your body won't open the fat-burning door. It isn't a matter of how much you ate, but how high the insulin rose on your plate. By spacing your meals and giving a rest, you put your own fat-burning goals to the test. To find the blueprint and end all the strife, go to Nutrisavvy.com and learn the fuel for your life.